The Toyota Land Cruiser wheel spacers are a kind of wheel upgrade accessories that has now become a common practice among many car modification lovers. If the offset is not ideal, a set of Toyota Land Cruiser wheel spacers can fix the wrong offset. They can also improve the stability, handling, and overall appearance of the Land Cruiser. So what is the difference after installing the 1-inch Toyota wheel spacers on a Land Cruiser? The first and foremost difference is that the stance of the Land Cruiser will be wider. After fitting 1-inch Land Cruiser wheel spacers, you can move the wheels further away from the suspension. This increases the track width. As the track width increases, the Toyota Land Cruiser's performance can become more stable, and handling usually improves as well. The lateral grip of the tires is also improved. With these Land Cruiser wheel spacers, you can feel more comfortable when cornering. Installing Toyota Land Cruiser wheel spacers is an effective way to increase the clearance between the wheel and the brake caliper. This can be especially useful if you plan to fit larger brakes or wheels on your Land Cruiser. The additional clearance provided by the spacers can prevent the brakes from rubbing against the wheels. A car with a lower center of gravity will handle better thanks to reduced road and more even tire loading. What's more, you can change the offset by adding wheel spacers of the appropriate thickness. This improves the overall ride experience. Heat dissipation is something that should not be overlooked by anyone seriously about the performance potential of their Toyota Land Cruiser. BONOSS FT Cooling Toyota Land Cruiser wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distributed in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the Toyota Land Cruiser wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety.